Hello, I want to talk to you today a little bit about how to shut your water off. What I have here in my hand is called a meter key. On this end is a key to get into your meter can, and on the other end is a wrench to shut it off with. In order to use this, and basically all you do, use the key in, you'll stick it in here, twist it, and then lift up. That'll give you access to the meter. In order to shut this off, what you do is you put it right down here on the valve and then turn it a quarter turn, and your water to your house is then turned off. If you have any questions or need any assistance with this, feel free to give us a call at Legacy Plumbing, 972-801-9798. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.